Salut prieteni și astăzi o să ne jucăm Final Fantasy 35, episodul 2. Haideți să continuăm.
Daddy, you let the other children go see her. Why won't you let me go?
Welcome back for another night of intellectual stimulation, pivotal career choices, and self-reflection on past mistakes. We're committed to creating a unique and fulfilling work experience. One part of that commitment is ensuring that you don't get tired of the voice that you're hearing right now. Using the keypad below, please select a new companion voice. For male, press 1. For female, press 2. For text only, it seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. Thank you for choosing Angsty Teen.
Dați like și subscribe dacă vă place Final Fantasy 5. By the way, azi s-ar putea să fie ultimul episod Final Fantasy 5. Ok. Și nu mă las.
The elevator stopped. You know the routine. You can get out now or whatever. Stay here if you want. So, funny story. A dead body was found in this vent once. Okay, so not that funny, but it's a story.
Ok, nu mai taci odată.
Okay, let's start with your nightly chores. You should check on Ballora and make sure she's on her stage, but whatever. Huh. I guess Ballora has better things to do. Let's zap her. That should be fun.
So, here. The hell sound?
Let's check on Funtime Foxy. Make sure he's ready for showtime tomorrow.
Nu e acolo.
Great.
E o cameră acolo.
There seems to have been a problem with the voice synthesizer. Default settings have been restored. Please proceed through the vent ahead of you to Circus Baby's auditorium.
Am uitat odată și hai să încep. Da, ați mărăcit. Chitiți-mă pe aici iar. Trebuie să mă duc un vent iar.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Le messe. Nu. Îngheșmă.
Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock.
Okay.
There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby. Please stand by while I reboot the system. I will be offline momentarily during this process. Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Ok, cred că trebuie să mă duc acolo. Sau pe undeva pe aici.
Motion trigger. Entryway vent.
Bun.
Funtime auditorium maintenance vent opened. Ballora gallery maintenance vent opened. Motion trigger. Technician control.
I don't recognize you. You are new.
Circus.
I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events would lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this willingly. Maybe curiosity, maybe ignorance. There is a space under the desk. Someone before you crafted it into a hiding place, and it worked for him. I recommend that you hurry, though. You will be safe there. Just try not to make eye contact. It will be over soon. They will lose interest.
Ok. 2. Ok, 2. Trebuie să apăs, cred. Că din ce am văzut pe YouTube, trebuie să țin asta. Wow. E tare, o să mor sigur. Uite. Cum naiba n-am murit? Nu, trage el. Nu dă încolo de... O să mă sperie sigur acum asta. No way. No way că a rezistat. No way. Am rezistat. Yay. Cred că trebuie să apăs el.
When your guide comes back online, he is going to tell you that he was unsuccessful, that you must restart the system manually. He will then tell you to crawl through Ballora Gallery as fast as you can to reach the breaker room. If you follow his instructions, you will die. Ballora will not return to her stage anymore. She will catch you. The power will be restored shortly. When you crawl through Ballora Gallery, go slowly. She cannot see you and can only listen for your movement. When you hear her music become louder, she is growing near, listening for you. Wait and be still.
Thank you for your patience. It seems that the power system cannot be restarted automatically. You will need to restart the power system manually. Please return to the primary control module.
Motion trigger. Circus gallery vent.
You will now be required to crawl through the Ballora Gallery using the vent to your left to reach the breaker room. It is recommended that you stay low to the ground and reach the other side as fast as possible as to not disturb Ballora. I will deactivate myself momentarily as to not create an auditory disturbance. Deactivating.
Ballora Colony maintenance vent opened.
Okay. Ok, stai. Trebuie să facem liniște. Stop. Ok, dai. Dai. Ok, ia cu 2. Stop. Ok, trebuie să-i dau.
It seems you are taking a long time. Please proceed as quickly and as quietly as possible.
Trebuie să fac liniște. Trece din fața lui. Pleacă mai repede. Ok. Mai puțin. Stop. Ok, 2. Stop. Stop. Cât mai e? Stop. Oh, stop.
Motion trigger breaker room.
You may now interface with the breaker control box. Using the interface may disrupt nearby electronics. If you feel you are in danger, feel free to disconnect the interface temporarily until it is safe to reconnect.
Calm down and go back to sleep. Nolan is here. Go back to your stage. Everything is okay.
strigă.
Calm down and go back to sleep. No one is here. Go back to your stage. Everything is okay.
L-am auzit pe Phantom Freddy. Ok, cam asta a fost cu episodul de azi. Cred că ne vedem în Final Fantasy 6. Pa, pa!